Hi guys! So, vlog takeover. Since it's Neil's birthday, he didn't know that we have a surprise for him. Aww. So, his sisters asked me to buy this Osmo Mobile 3 combo. I'm not looking the camera so that I mean. So, here it is. Okay, there you go. Say hi to the vlog. This is Jasan, our friend, another friend. Same name.
Oh my gosh.
And mine as well. So both of us, we also have a gift for him, and he thought that that's the only gift. We forgot his birthday. We didn't even. Yeah, we have cake also. We didn't greeted him. I haven't greeted him yet. And so I'm gonna show you the gift that we have for him. So this is from Pull and Bear belt bag. So we plan to put the Osmo here. Well, it fits well. And the perfume that we're gonna give to him. And he will just only receive this one whole paper bag, and without him knowing, the Osmo and the perfume is inside, and we also have a cake. This one. What's inside? Let's check the cake. Oh my god, I forgot the candle.
Oh my god.
The candle. I forgot the candle. I'm so sorry.
Sealed,
I'm so sorry. Oh god.
Why dedication?
Yeah, hope so. Na dedication. Because I asked.
Are you ready?
So here's the cake for him. Oh my god, this morning. Happy birthday.
Happy 30th.
Yes, birthday. Beshi from Hannah and Jason. So that's our
correct name.
Jason. Because
spelling.
I spelled it right. But we don't have a candle. Don't we have? Do we have a candle?
We will look for a candle.
We will look for a candle.
For the celebrant.
Yes.
Cake.
Since you're wondering why we're on mask, we're in the hospital working, and it's already what time now? 11 p.m. And he will come to work tomorrow morning at 7. So I'm on my night shift. And she's from the previous shift. And she will not sleep, and she will wait for him here. Bye. See you tomorrow. So this is the gift. Surprise! Surprise! Yes, very early.
Early bird.
Yes.
Catches the worm.
Catches the birthday.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Baliktad ang happy birthday.
Born na kayo.
30th birthday. Happy
Okay na, basta
birthday.
cashew nuts, mukha mo siya.
Yes. Happy birthday. Na-surprise ka? Na-surprise ka? Open the gift. You have to open it. You have to.
Kala ka daw wrapper dahil.
Wrapper. Oh, gold? Oh.
Ano siya din?
Nasi ko man.
Wala na sila dito, wala pa may tao doon.
Wala pa yung 7. Wala pa yung duty. Wrapper from one wrapper to another.
That's in wrapper. Maganda. Kasi Hannah sa yung best in wrapper.
Thank you so much. Ay, kay Kwande.
We're here. Guys.
Alam mo, bagal niya mong dragon?
I'll open it. So, this is our gift for you. But look what's inside. Another... Uy, i-blow na! Blow na! Sige, siya tingin doon. Pag wish. Okay.
Thank you so much. No, so
Look. Open. Turn it around.
Ano, pag-sure mo ba?
Turn it around, read it.
Happy 30th birthday, Kuya.
Oh.
Pag-sure ba sa kumangod ni?
Yes.
Kasi ka naman?
Yes. All of them.
Uy, thank you so much. Mo din ikaw sa kumangod yan. Kaya mag-vlog man lang.
Vlogger. Kuya vlogger.
So, from Diane, Ain, and Mar.
Yes.
Thank you sa mga kapatid ko.
Yay!
Kasweet, uy.
Wait, there's more.
Napalagi ni. Saan pa ba ni?
Pahumot dahil.
Oh, pahamot guy from Versace.
Versace on the floor.
Versace. Thank you so much, Hannah and Jusan. Ano na siya? Lagi ko na, Besh.
But the bag,
The
di ka na
bag.
namang bag, ha?
Oo.
Ang bag niyo, Alizay.
Oy, nakuan gid siya kay magbitbit naman kasi imong selfie stick, at least na kay kabutangan. Sa imong selfie stick.
Ang cellphone na lang.
Kaya kung wala man kayo, kay belt back biya.
Oo.
Yes.
So, mag-ano na siya pa mag-vlogger na siya tayo.
Oh, yes,
Thank you so
vlogger.
much. Shout out to Ain, Kara, Diana, and Mar. And kay Beshi. Thank you so much, Beshi. Favorite pag ginawa nakita dito.
Yes, we know that. Carrot cake.
Mami ko na siya.
Yes.
Uy, thank you. Happy na po sa iyong duty ba?
Ako night. So the surprise and the vlog takeover is successful.
Thank you.
He will edit all the video himself. I'm not gonna edit it.
English, hindi ko na mag-English dahil.
Yes.
Uy,
Surprise.
thank you.
Wait, Corona.
Social distancing.
Bye.
Bye. Bye,
So
thank you,
let's end the vlog. End the vlog.
Ito, tag-vlog pa daw.
End it.
So, thank you so much for watching and hope you like our video for today. And thank you for surprise kay Hannah, kay Jusan. Nasa mamanggod na ako na sa Dayan sa ingay si Mar. Thank you, bye. Vlogger na
Don't forget to
Don't forget to watch and don't forget to if you're new to my channel, please if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa susunod naming video.
Sunod na
Bye.
birthday.
Oh.